selamat pagi.
Sudah nih. Plastik bungkus.
This is a okay. This is the fried. Yeah.
Can I take a picture?
No photo. This is fried banana, but they cover it with the powder of embal.
Okay.
So this is, you must try this one.
Yes, definitely.
Because it's very delicious.
Yes, okay, definitely. Yes.
Yeah.
We'll try this. Would you like one?
Yeah.
And the driver? Will he
Yeah.
have one? So we get
You take one.
Oh, one
No,
plate?
they
The whole
one
plate?
they sell for one plate.
Okay.
Okay, so we
Alright.
can sit there, and maybe if you want to eat or
Yes,
drink
we
something.
Can do that. Yes, we can drink
Yeah.
something.
Okay.
Okay.
So what do you like to eat? Drink?
Yeah.
Coffee? Hot, yeah?
Yeah, hot coffee.
Hot
Yeah.
coffee. With sugar? No sugar?
Just one sugar for
Or they separate it? The
They
sugar.
separate it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And then you can put
And
it
can
by
put in,
yourself.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah?
Do they put milk?
If you want. So
Okay,
no, it's
milk?
no.
Yeah.
With milk also?
Yes. If you
Black
know.
coffee.
Black coffee.
Yeah.
And you with milk, yeah?
Yes, please. And then you get the driver and yourself as well.
Okay, thank you.
And then we pay. When do we give
After
them?
the
afterwards?
eating.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we take
okay.
this?
Yeah, you can take one.
All right. Thank you. Okay, sit here.
You can sit the middle or inside the small houses. Ini apa? Mangrove. Oh, iya. Sorry, Mr. Roy. This is the chip from mangrove.
Mangrove.
Mangrove, yeah.
Mango.
Not mangrove.
Mangrove.
Yeah. And this is the red rice. Beras merah, dah?
Okay. And you cook this like you cook normal rice.
Yeah, like normal rice. It is for the diet people. If you want to diet, so you should eat this.
The diet.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Ini berapa yang ini?
You want some mango chips?
Ini berapa?
Mango.
30 kalau yang ini.
Yeah.
15. This is 15,000 rupiah.
So let me say, I'll
And
take
this
one.
one, do you want to take one?
Yeah, I'll take one of each.
Okay. Berasnya 30. 30,000 and 15,000.
So that's 45,000.
45,000, yeah. I just already asked, but he was full.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Very tasty.
Last year, I went with some guy, some guest from Singapore
Yes.
with the children also.
Okay.
And her mom said that she never eat banana. But when
When she sees it
tried
like
this
this,
one, every day
she now
she
eats
tried,
it.
she ate it.
That's good. Very tasty. So when do all the officials arrive? Is it today? So they say they're doing this
Yeah,
for the officials.
today.
They're coming today.
They come from the regency office
Okay,
and then come to the booth. Did the booth also? After the booth, they come here.
and they're coming here. Okay. The red rice. Is it? How is that made? Is it normal rice?
Normal rice.
Normal
They
rice?
plant here also.
Okay, so
Yeah.
how come it's red? It's like the seed?
It's a kind of
It's
rice.
type of
It's a
rice.
kind of
Okay.
Normal. Yeah.
It's not going to kill you. It's good for you.
I've just never seen it before.
No, it's a healthy rice.
Yeah, it's healthy rice. Sometimes when they want to diet, so they should eat this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe you need to buy a big bag of red rice.
Of red rice,
All
yeah.
that Australian rice, white rice you got. Get rid of it.
We
Get
can
healthy
cook it.
rice.
We can mix it.
Well, you can mix it.
Makasih.
Is this a river? Is this a river or is
No.
it part of the ocean? It just comes in?
Comes in.
In.
Yeah. They have the bungalow here and also swimming pool.
Okay.
Yeah. For the children. Yeah.
Okay, they can swim there.
Oh yeah.
Very different. In Samoa, they have the high priest the eldest daughter is the princess,
Oh,
and when you arrive, they make they call it
like ceremony.
ava, a ceremony with ava. It's from a pepper plant,
Mm-hmm.
and they make this drink,
Oh,
but only she can make it.
Oh.
Only the princess can make it.
then give it
And
to
then
you.
the warrior gives it to you. Only a warrior can give it to
Wow.
you. And the warrior, how he becomes a warrior, is a tattoo from here
Tattoo.
to here.
Oh.
But it's with the needle and the hammer.
Ooh.
It takes how many years did they say he did the for the warrior in Samoa to get all his tattoo? It's over a period of
Wow.
a couple of years. It's like a rite of passage.
Wow.
They become a man, but not everybody does it. It's
Yeah,
because
yeah.
it's very
For the special
it's a
person.
special and it's very painful
Oh.
and once you start it, you have to finish it.
Wow.
Otherwise, it's a big disgrace for the family.
Mm-hmm.
And so the warriors, they give you this to
This
drink.
the drinking, yeah.
It's different. And the dancing was different from Samoa to Fiji to Tahiti, all different.
All
the
different.
way the ladies dance.
But I mean, they looks like Papua people.
no,
Or?
different, completely different, completely. Everybody is
Oh.
different. They look different. Smells good, eh? So we just choose. Okay, so for me, I have a little bit of egg,
Telur.
and one of this.
Itu. Perkedel.
Yeah, it's a fricadelle. Okay.
Yeah.
And then, which was the other one I saw?
Fish.
Oh, this one. I want to try this one.
Ini?
The vegetables, yeah. I think this is enough for me. And then this little one. I'll try this one. Okay, that's enough for me.
Bisa bikin.
So those are your different meats. You want me to get you your glasses so you can see?
Gampang.
The chicken's at the top there.
Ibu buka warung sendiri sudah. Yang
So that's the different meats. That is a mixture of nuts and beans. This is chicken, fried chicken. This is like an omelette. This is a potato fricadelle.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that I told you. Yeah.
This is you told us about.
Yeah.
Tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock.
Yeah. Lihat sir, lihat sir. Chicken is also here.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Manut.
Manut, paham.
This is good.
And this is the flying fish. Yeah.
The flying fish.
Yeah, really.
Oh, they do?
The wings open, then it is.
Oh, sorry.
The inside of the fish. Do you know this?
Seaweed.
Seaweed, yeah.
This is seaweed.
Seaweed. That I told you. And that's the small one, but they dry it. Yeah, make it dry.
That's crazy, eh? Yeah, this one.
Macam itu orang selain yang cerai-cerai kemarin tapi sekarang seperti makan di nama
The small one is good. Yeah.
oh maksudnya yang itu kita jadi kan kita terlalu banyak pakai terlalu banyak itu belanja sana tuh jadi tahu separuh nanti pada kamu udah dua deh sama jarak tua sama
Yeah.
this the same on every island, or is every island going to be different? All the islands
This
have
is
a
the
market?
this is the tour government.
This
This
is
is
the
for the agency, and the
Okay.
other one is for city. This one, they leaves of cassava, and then they make it coated. Green it or something like that.
And then you just eat it like that?
Yeah.
You don't have to cook it, eh?
No, we must cook it. No. We cook it
Okay.
with the coconut. How we call it? The coconut.
Is it cream?
Yeah, the cream. The cream of coconut. Some spices, and then eat it. No nuts. How we call it? Yeah. If we want to eat, it has like plus. If we cook fish,
Yes.
curry fish,
Yes.
we make it real and then mix it with the curry fish.
Okay. Is it a...
It's little milky. It's a little milky.
Okay.
I don't know how to call it. But
Yeah, it's not nutmeg, eh? Nutmeg is not this.
nutmeg?
Nutmeg.
Oh
Is
yeah.
this hard? Does it get hard when it dries? No?
No.
No, this is not it.
Yeah.
It's something
A
different.
little milky.
Milky. Okay.
Little milky. Yeah.
And then this is a cucumber.
And this one papaya.
Oh, it's papaya.
The young
green.
papaya. The green papaya.
And then they cook it.
I'll take a picture for both of you.
The colors.
Yeah. I love cake. That's the harbor, the main harbor for the passengers here. Yeah. From Tual to Ambon to Papua also. Yeah, every week. Sorry, we have maybe 20 until 30 minutes here, so you can enjoy. Yeah? Yeah, it's okay. Because it is panas.
Right, so yesterday we had a couple of young children visit us on a dugout canoe, and what we encouraged them to do is we used Google Translate to explain to them that if they took our garbage ashore, we would pay them, and they agreed to that. So we gave them the garbage and we gave them the money. We also gave them a note written in English that they could take to the other yachts, and as they presented that note to the other yachts, which suggested a fee for taking the bag of garbage, after a few hours the dugout came back past our boat and it was full of garbage which they were taking ashore to dispose for the yachties.
Dosa tetaplah dosa. Ada konsekuensi bagi setiap orang yang melakukannya. Jangan lupa like, comment, share, dan subscribe di channel ini. Ya.